I was on a mission to recreate the popular and viral Salt Hank's prime rib sandwich. I started with dry brining my rib roast in kosher salt for 2 days in the fridge. The rub for the roast consisted of butter, freshly chopped thyme, parsley, oregano, rosemary, and fresh garlic. Added fresh ground black pepper first, then rubbed the entire butter mixture all over the roast. I lined an oven roasting pan with celery, onions, carrots, whole heads of garlic cut in half, added some of the leftover herbs, poured in 4 cups of beef broth. Set my wireless thermometer to 125 degrees, placed the rib roast in the oven at 500 degrees for 33 minutes, then bringing it down to 170. To make the onion compote, I started with a stick of butter, olive oil, red and white onions. After about an hour and 10 minutes, and once they caramelized, I added Worcestershire sauce and red wine at the end. When the rib roast was done, I let it sit out for about an hour, and it was heavily guarded. After adding 2 more cups of beef broth to the roasting pan and heating it on the stove, it was all strained for the au jus. For the aioli, I used garlic that was roasting in the pan, added mayonnaise, prepared horseradish, fresh chopped chives, and a little Worcestershire sauce. Once the rib roast had been sitting in the fridge overnight, I sliced it as thin as possible and let it come to room temperature before adding it to a freshly baked French baguette. Note that Salt Hank's sandwich uses a sourdough baguette, which was challenging to find, so I used French as an alternate. Building the sandwich was a little tough since the bread was thin. Next time I would definitely use a wider baguette. One sandwich was made with Swiss and the other with provolone, and they were both good. Heating it in the broiler took about 2 minutes before the cheese started to bubble. I just had to keep a close eye on the sandwiches so they didn't burn. I just want to add that Salt Hank uses prime beef, but I went with choice, and that was purely due to cost. So, what did my Bengali neighbor think of this sandwich?
Wow. Oh my god. Dude. Wow. Holy smokes, bro.